Talk Radio 702 and 567 Cape Talk. Elections 2014.
Firstly, we want to support the reindustrialization by supporting manufacturing. What are we wanting to do? The first thing is that on localization, we want to encourage as many things as possible to be manufactured in South Africa. This is not a pipe dream. In Neguruleni, as we speak, in Wadeville and around Tshwane, Kudu Sport, there's manufacturing that is going on, supported by the parastatal, particularly PRASA and ESCOM and Transnet. You can go and find that information. That work is happening and is going to continue over the next coming few years. Not only about that, also the buses, the BRT buses, the first lot was made in Brazil. The rest of them are going to be made in South Africa. That's localization. Secondly, around beneficiation, if you look at the platinum industry, South Africa controls about 70% of the platinum industry in the world. If you're to take that and beneficiate and do catalytic converters here and all of that, that will be creating jobs, reindustrialization happening in our shores. And again, all of this is found in the ANC document, the SIMS document produced after the NGC in KZN. The last issues around the SIPs. The president established an infrastructure committee which has looked at the ports, the roads, the dams, and as well as the rail, and said, what is that we need to do? All of these plans are in place, are costed, and some of them also are on the balance sheet of the parastatals. These plans are in place, they're credible, they've been funded, and the NDP also, what the plans we have in place are supported by the National Development Plan. Thank you very much.